France is not known for their knives, except for just a few items like Lagioles and Opinels. What else do you know that is French? That's a folder, especially. Well, we'll start with an oldie but a goodie. It's a Lagiole. It's a very, very solid walnut knife with a heavy, heavy blade. It's number 1421. And you gotta watch your fingers when you close this one. Woohoo! It also has brass inlay. You know it's a French knife. Anyway, this one is a beauty. This is probably a pre-1970, although I cannot narrow it down further than that. Beautifully made. There's a little bee, a little bit of file work. It's gorgeous. All right, let's take a look at something else. Something even more rare. A Corsican, what they used to call vendetta knives. And a lot of people have misconceptions about these vendetta knives actually being used for stabbing and for fulfilling vendettas. Well, these particular knives are made in France, and they were made in France. This one is circa late 1800s, turn of the 20th century. The blade is stamped Veritable Poudrille, which, if I'm not mistaken, translates to genuine powder. Handle is bone, and for being over 100 years old, this knife snaps like a champ. Next on our list, and last but not least, is this French beauty. Handle is what I suspect to be buffalo horn. One side is in excellent condition. The other one has seen a little bit of wear and perhaps a little bit of heat. There's slight warping. A very interesting old knife with a strong snap. And although you can't see it, the blade is also stamped Veritable Poudrille. This one comes with an owl, and even the owl is very, very beautifully done. The snap on these old French knives, half snaps, is amazing. So here we go. Here we got three French knives. Three French knives. Each different. Each very old. And a lot of these are neglected by collectors. But I tell you what, these are amazing. You can feel the history in your hands. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, please post them below. Let me know what else you want to see. I got a ton of knives laying around, and it's just a matter of time of me getting to them. Thank you for watching. Leave a thumb. Watch your fingers.